In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Adobe account effectively. Whether you're looking to keep track of your billing details, view past transactions, or update your payment methods, I've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. First, what you want to do is sign in to your Adobe account. This is done by visiting the official Adobe account website at https://account.adobe.com. It's as simple as entering your Adobe ID and password. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your account dashboard. Here, the next stop in our navigation journey is the Plans and Payment section. Depending on your interface, it might also be listed as Plans and Products. This section is crucial because it holds all the details related to your active subscriptions. When you click into it, your current plan will appear front and center. Underneath your active plan, there's an option called Manage Plan. Clicking this will present you with several details that are especially useful: the plan name, billing cycle, payment method, and the date for your next payment. All of these are vital pieces of information if you're budgeting or want to ensure everything is up to date. Now, if you're interested in delving a bit into your financial past with Adobe, you'll want to check out your billing history. Sometimes this section is under Manage Plan, or you may find it in a separate tab labeled Billing and Payments. This is where you can find records of past charges and invoices. It's very helpful if you need to keep track of your expenses or if you're auditing your spending. Plus, Adobe makes it easy to view, download, or even email these invoices for convenience. Occasionally, you might also find a need to update your payment method or billing address. Whether you've received a new credit card, moved to a new residence, or simply want to switch things around, the ability to edit these crucial details is at your fingertips in this same area. Look for the option that says Edit Billing and Payment. Here, you can make the necessary changes to keep everything accurate and avoid any disruptions in your service. That's essentially all there is to it. Remember, staying on top of your account details not only helps in keeping your subscriptions running smoothly, but also ensures that your financial information is secure and up to date. If you follow these steps, managing your Adobe account should be a breeze. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creating!